All right, I'm back, and I decided to put the screen in screen function again because some of you guys said you liked it. I won't always do it this way, but I thought it would be fun to do it once again. So we're working on our order of operation problems. You guys are doing a great job in class, really thinking through singing your song and applying it to the problems. And I was so proud of you guys for working with your homework last night. Some of those problems got really tricky, and you guys pushed through. You used what you knew. You thought logically. You did some critical thinking, and you were able to come up with the right answers, which is fantastic. And that's going to make tonight's homework even easier. What we're going to look at today in this video is what happens when we have more than one type of grouping symbol, because that's when things can start to get a little bit confusing, okay? So I want to jump on down to problem number 9 in your homework, all right? So let's look at problem number 9. There is a lot of grouping symbols in this. So let's see, make sure we can see what I'm writing. We've got braces 2 times bracket 9 minus parentheses 6 divided by 2, and now it gets a little bit crazy. We have to close our parentheses, close our bracket, close our braces, and multiply it by 3. Before I even begin to solve this problem, I need to write my order of operations. So I'm going to write my, where is it? There we go. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right. Make sure you put that arrow in there. Addition and subtraction from left to right. Make sure you put that arrow in there. We're going to use this and our song to go through. Okay? So we say, when we begin together. Parentheses first now, please be clever. We're stopping there. We're looking for our parentheses. We've got a lot. We've got parentheses, we've got brackets, we've got braces. Where do we begin? We begin with those parentheses. Work it from the inside out. So we're going to come right in here to our parentheses where we see 6 divided by 2. So I'm going to think backwards to use my multiplication facts. What times 2 equals 6? Well, I know the answer to that is 3. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, I've got to be very careful when I bring everything down. I'm going to ask myself, did I solve out my parentheses? Yes. So I don't need to bring that down. Did I solve out my brackets? No. So I need to bring down 9 minus and the brackets. Okay? Did I solve out my braces? No. So I need to bring down 2 times and my braces. And then don't forget about your little guy over here, your times 3. All right, am I still working with parentheses? Yes, I still have grouping symbols. So where do I go next? Work from the inside out. So the next thing I've got is 9 minus 3. Well, that's easy. 9 minus 3 is 6. Again, I'm going to take my time when I bring everything down, showing each step. Did I solve out my brackets? Yes, so I don't need those. Did I solve out my braces? No, so I'm going to need those. 2 times, and here's my braces. And then don't forget about your times 3. All right, am I done with my parentheses? Nope, I still have one left. I still have my braces left. That's it. So I'm going to solve that out. 2 times 6 is 12. Bring everything else down. Did I solve out my braces? Yes, done with that. Bring down my times and my 3. I go over here. I'm done with parentheses, right? Please be clever. Exponents come right next in line. Any exponents? No. You can multiply and divide at the same time. Any multiplication or division? Yes. And it's the last thing that I need to do. 12 times 3 is 36. And there's my answer. Okay? I'm going to make sure that I went through and I did everything right. I started with my parentheses, solved out all my parentheses before I got into anything else. Okay? I've used my order of operations. I've crossed it off so I know that I follow the directions correctly. And that's all you do. It looked really hard up here, but when we took it step by step, we created a very easy problem for us to solve. And that's all you have to do tonight on your homework. Make sure you're writing PEMDAS, make sure you're singing your song and you're showing your work, and you should have an easy time with it. All right? I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. If you have any trouble, make sure you circle, star it. You can always come and talk to me in the mornings. I would love to help you guys with it, okay? I'll see you tomorrow in class.